Hi guys, good morning, happy Sunday. Today is 14th of April. The time is let's see, 9:30 now. Okay, I'm using my phone to vlog, so I don't really know, but I think it should be 9:30. So today is Sunday, but if I'm to be honest with you guys, yeah, I couldn't go to church. I came in late yesterday from work, and today I was just so tired. I woke up with this like very annoying headache and body pain, so like I couldn't stand up, you know. But I'm gonna key into Koinonia later this evening. Koinonia is like a platform for Apostle Joshua Selman. Yeah, I enjoy his preaching so much, so I'm gonna key into Koinonia later this evening. Okay, yeah, so basically I don't have much to do. I just just take my shower, brush, and then have breakfast. I don't even know what I'm gonna have for breakfast, but I'm thinking of like bread, maybe toasted bread with eggs and all that good stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have my clothes too. I need to do my laundry today, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today. Honestly, I'm trying to take my vlogging serious this year. I'm trying to bring you all into my life. I'm trying to bring you all into my space. I'm trying to tell you guys a little bit about me through vlogs, you know, so you guys will get to know my personality, get to know, like, you know, get to know me and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll be vlogging more. I'll be vlogging more now. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I know I'm talking too much, so let's just get right into it.
Wanna make this easy, but I can really talk when you feel like a stranger. I can't brush it off. You want me to come over, but I still feel it all. You're in every room. I know that there are some things that are better left unsaid. It ain't worth it. Trying to find something so quiet.
I'm done sorting out my laundry. I'll show you guys. I usually like to sort in colors. Okay, so I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm exhausted already. I'm really tired, but I need to get this laundry done today. I'm sure by now you guys are wondering what's with this scarf. You don't want to see what my hair looks like underneath this scarf. You really don't want to. It's an eyesore, no, but I'm definitely going to relax my hair this week and, you know, just do a little maintenance, you know, and all that good stuff. I'm so famished. I'm really hungry, but I don't know, the moment I eat, I'm going to get lazy. The moment I have breakfast, I'm going to get really lazy, you know, and I really want to get this laundry sorted out. Like, it's a lot, and I need to make sure that I have clean clothes. Yeah, let me show you guys how I sort my clothes. These are my jeans, and then my black clothes, skirts, tops. As long as it's black, I like to just wash everything at once. Those are like my tops and nightie, and these are my shorts. Okay, well, I like to wash like this because if I don't, I get confused, and this also helps me to avoid transferring colors from one, you know, clothes to another. So I don't want all that, you know, heartbreak right now. Hi guys, today is Thursday. I've not been vlogging much. That's because I'm not really used to, you know, I'm not really used to vlogging as much, but I'll get used to it. Yeah, I'll definitely adjust to the whole thing. I'll get used to it. So today I'm going to relax my hair today. Remember I told you guys that my hair is messy, and that's the reason why I'm always putting on scarf. Like in this vlog, it's really messy, and today is like the day for my appointment. I just called the lady that is going to relax my hair, and she told me that, oh, that I can start coming. The salon is not far from where I stay. It's still like within the estate, so I'll just like walk there. So yeah, basically that's what I'm going to do today. I'll take you guys along, obviously. Hopefully, I pray I remember. Yeah, so that's just it. Basically, I'm in a hurry, guys. I'm really. She called me like 30 minutes ago, and I'm still here. I need to be fast. I need to do what I have to do. But I can't leave the house without applying sunscreen. No, since I'm going to walk to the salon, I have to apply my sunscreen and just, you know, put everything in order, take my charger, like my essentials with me, and move. Okay,
2 hours later.
I'm on my way to the salon now. You guys, this lady has called me twice, and I didn't pick because I felt guilty. She called me over an hour ago, and honestly, it's just now I'm heading to the salon. Anyways, the sun is so whoosh. The sun is really terrible, and thank God I applied my sunscreen. People are staring at me like, what the fuck is this girl doing? You guys. But I don't mind. I don't care. I'm gonna still do my thing, okay? Whatever. Anyways, I'm close by. I'll let you guys know when I get there, okay? Guys, so she's done applying relaxer. She's done applying the relaxer on my hair. I'll just wait for 10 minutes. It's already 40 minutes, but I'll just wait for 10 minutes because I really want this hair to relax properly. Maybe 10 minutes is a stretch. I'll just wait for, let's say, 8 minutes. Then she'll wash it off. Guys, today is Friday and the time is 12:30. I'm super happy that I relaxed my hair. Anytime I relax my hair, guys, it's easier to work with, and you know, it's just smooth and sleek, and I can always like wear a bun or something like that. So yeah, but I noticed that I lost my edges. Don't get me wrong, guys, I know that, I mean, I have hair on my head, but for someone that has full hair, I noticed that my edges, especially here and here, I lost like a little bit of hair here. And it's not even funny because I haven't been on braids for 4 years now. I haven't been on braids, so I don't really know why I'm losing edges. It's annoying, honestly. But anyways, I'm not even bothered because my sister, she did this this oil thing, this hair growth oil, so I'm going to apply that. Like, I'm going to, you know, I'm going to steal from her, obviously. I pray she doesn't watch this video because the way she used to protect that oil, the way she used to protect that oil, I pray she does. Anyway, she's going to see this video, but I'm surely going to use it, you know, for my edges, because baby, I really want, you know, that full edges and everything. Anyways, in the spirit of vlogging more for you guys, I made a purchase. I saw this vlogging tripod online and I ordered it. It got delivered to me today, so we're going to do an unboxing. It's a 2-in-1 tripod, and when I say 2-in-1 tripod, I can use it with my phone and a camera. I don't have a camera yet, but I'm manifesting that soon. That's why I got this. Okay, I don't want to mention the brand I got it from yet because I don't know if they deliver like quality. So we're going to do an unboxing. If I like what I see, what I ordered is what I got, I'm definitely going to recommend the brand and probably leave the link of the brand in the description box. But if I don't like it, I don't think I'll recommend. So let's just go ahead and unbox, okay?
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around since city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you look up. Oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, but I'm like this, still don't wanna just the flame.
This is the tripod I got. The name of the tripod is the Selfie Stick L16, right? I got this tripod because, like I said earlier, it's a 2-in-1 tripod. The one I have is not as sturdy as this one, right? And it's not as long as this one. I think this one is about 6 feet. No, it's not up to 6 feet. I think about 5. Is it 5 feet? 5 feet tall. I don't know. I'll check. It's sturdy. I can go out with it. I can go out to create content with it, right? I really like it. I think what I ordered is what I got. It's really sturdy, and it came with this Bluetooth thing. And yeah, this is where, yeah, this is like my phone holder. This is where I can put my phone, and this other side is for my camera, right? That we are manifesting. I don't have a camera yet, but like I'm just hopeful that someday, somehow, one day I'm gonna own a camera. I'm gonna get a camera. So just in case that day comes, I'm already prepared. Okay, so this is for your camera. In case you own a camera, this is where you can, like, you know, put your camera. And I really like this tripod because it's sturdy. It's a 2-in-1 tripod. That means you can use your phone and you can use your camera just in case you have. Will I recommend this tripod? Oh yes, I will. I'll recommend the tripod. It's really sturdy. It's very, very sturdy, but it's quite heavy. I mean, it's quite heavy compared to the other one I have. That one is not as heavy as this one, but I don't mind. I really do not mind, as long as it's doing the job. And you know, as long as it's doing the job, honestly, I really do not mind. So I'll recommend, most definitely. I will insert the link of where I got this tripod from in the description box. Yeah, I really like it. I really like it. Wow. Okay. Okay, you guys, did you hear that sound? They just brought the lights. Okay. Yeah, it's tall enough. I like it. And it also came with a manual. You know, just to direct you on how to use the tripod, right? Yeah, I really like it so much. I'm just happy. I'm so happy. Like the previous one I used to use, it's not sturdy at all. Like, I'm just so happy I got this. I also went to Vanex the other day. I went to get a charger and a new phone case. For some reason, the charger I was using previously just stopped working. I don't know why. I really do not know why, but it just stopped working, so I had to go get another charger. I went to Banex, but I didn't vlog when I went there, so yeah. This is like the charger and the case I got. I've already unboxed it, so you know, yeah. Anyways, that is that for this vlog. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm really hungry. I need to go get something to eat. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Share this video to your friends and family. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Okay.